Head relaxation techniques. First step, alternately lift and pull the forehead. Second step, gently push from the center of the eyebrows to the temples with your thumbs. Third step, gently press the Jingming acupoint with your fingertips. Fourth step, gently stroke around the eyes to relax the facial muscles. Fifth step, gently press and knead the Taiyang acupoint. Sixth step, rub both ears. Seventh step, pluck and knead the sides of the neck. Eighth step, lift and pull the neck, being careful not to use too much force. Ninth step, tap the Baihui acupoint on the top of the head. 10th step, with semi-fists, massage both sides of the top of the head with your knuckles. Have you learned this head relaxation technique? Sharing a set of comfortable shoulder and neck relaxation techniques with you. Quickly learn it for your family. First, apply an appropriate amount of massage oil to the shoulder and neck area. Soothe 3 to 5 times. Push our side neck with your finger pads from top to bottom, then make circles and pluck knead. The force should be a bit steady. These two techniques can be done alternately. Push our trapezius muscle with finger knuckles from bottom to top. Then push the upper back and our trapezius muscle with finger knuckles. Clench your fist and strengthen with finger knuckles. Push outwards and bring back like this. Soothe the entire shoulder and neck area. Pinch and knead the trapezius muscle with both hands. 10 to 20 times for each movement. Have you learned it? 7-step tutorial for home back meridian massage. First, evenly apply an appropriate amount of massage oil. Step 1. Push the trapezius muscles on both sides. Clench your fist and strengthen the push with finger knuckles. Step 2. Alternately push and knead the Dasui acupoint. Step 3. Straight push the governing vessel in the middle. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Step 4. Push the bladder meridian with a clenched fist on one side. Push one side, then push the other side. Step 5. Push both sides of the scapula. Point knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 6. Clench your fist and rub the entire back until warm. Step 7. Soothe and relax the back muscles. Ever wonder how to relax your shoulders while improving your overall well-being? A scapula massage might be just what you need. This simple yet effective technique enhances blood flow, easing muscle tension and helping you recover from poor posture or long hours at a desk. It doesn't stop there. By stimulating key meridian points, this massage boosts your immune system, helping your body fight off illness naturally. Plus, it supports better breathing by expanding the chest and increasing oxygen intake, which benefits both your heart and lungs. But wait, there's more. This massage also promotes better posture by balancing spinal muscles and relieving strain in your neck and lower back. It aids in detoxification too, speeding up the removal of waste and toxins from your body. Over time, you may even notice improved skin health and overall vitality. All these benefits, packed into one simple, easy-to-learn technique, can make a big difference in your day-to-day life.
Sharing a few simple arm massage techniques. First, use the palm to knead the forearm. Next, use the thumb to push along the heart meridian, pushing straight up to the cubital fossa. This helps to lower blood pressure and regulate internal energy and blood flow. If your fingers can't push effectively, or if you need more strength, you can use the hypothenar to push, or use a clenched fist to push instead. After pushing, press the Neiguan acupoint. The pressure should not be too strong. This helps alleviate chest pain and insomnia. Then press the Simon acupoint, which can improve urinary system function. Press the Cuse acupoint, which helps relieve palpitations and chest pain. By unblocking the pericardium meridian on our arm, we can promote heart function and improve blood circulation. After unblocking, alternately massage the forearm, pulling from the upper arm down to the fingertips.
Today, I'll share a 4-step abdominal meridian massage technique. First, take an appropriate amount of massage oil. Apply it evenly to your abdomen. Step 1. Push along the Ren meridian in the central abdomen. Push outward from the center to both sides, then bring your hands back. Step 2. Use your fists to push along the kidney meridian and stomach meridian. Apply pressure deeply as you push. Step 3. Cross-massage the abdomen. Focus on massaging the spleen meridian on both sides. Step 4. Lift and pull the di meridian on both sides. Finally, massage the entire abdomen in circular motions to soothe it.
Back of the leg meridian massage technique. This tutorial is a bit lengthy, so please bear with me until the end. First, spread the oil to warm it up. Pushing from the outside in. Start by warming up the thighs. Work downward on the outer yang meridian and upward on the inner yin meridian. Follow the flow of the meridians to balance the yin and yang, promoting blood circulation. When pushing outward, apply pressure with the base of your palm. Your stance is crucial. Spread your legs apart to better exert force. Push down along the Zhu Taiyang bladder and yang meridians. Stack your fingers and push downward on the Zhu Shaoyang gallbladder and yang meridians. Use your knuckles to scrape the foot at the Yangchen point. Switch positions to warm up the entire leg. Use your palms to encase both the front and back of the leg, pushing upwards. Slide down both sides. Circle the thighs with the base of your palm to relax the thigh muscles. Relax the calf muscles. Use your thumb to loosen the calf muscles. Push upward along the Zhu Shaoyan kidney and yin meridians. Use the front muscles of your hand to push on the calf. Warm up the entire back of the leg. Use the base of your palm to push horizontally on both calf and thigh muscles. Press and knead the Chengshan point on the calf. Massage the Weizong point. Press on the Chengfu point. After massaging, give your leg a shake to relax the muscles. Finally, stretch out the leg meridians.
Want a simple way to support your overall health? Foot massage might be it. It can even ease discomfort in your mouth and teeth and help you chew better. Plus, it gives your immune system a boost, helps your body get rid of unwanted stuff, and can improve your breathing. It also helps balance your energy and keeps you feeling more vibrant. Just some easy pressure on your feet for a surprising range of benefits.